guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys already know that in today's video I'm going to let you know that how you can get rid of your facial hair. So basically I'm going to show you that how I do my upper lips, my eyebrows and my sideburn using wax, and how I get rid of facial hair right here using a razor. Well, you can use wax for here as well. Basically I don't use wax because I get a lot of pimples on this area whenever I use waxing strips, so that's why I use a razor for this area. Other than that, you're free to use whatever you want to. So before we get into this video, I just want to let you know that getting rid of a facial hair is totally your choice. It's not that you look more beautiful or you should do it because the society wants you to. It's totally up to you whether you want to do it or not. But why I do it is because whenever I get rid of my facial hair and I do makeup, the base is like buttery smooth. My makeup looks flawless. Like today I got rid of my facial hair and then I shot a makeup video and my base was looking so freaking smooth, I cannot even tell you guys. So that's why I get rid of my facial hair. I started doing it like around 2 months ago. उससे पहले मैं नहीं करती थी, but I saw a major difference. That's why I do it now and I'm going to show you guys how you can do it too. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
So you would need first of all waxing strips. I use the Veet one. Then you need baby powder, some moisturizer or serum, a razor. That's totally up to you if you need this or not. A spoolie, a tweezer, some facial oil or any oil would work guys, even the sarson ka oil, some wipes and moisturizer. Guys, have a look at my upper lips. I don't know if you guys can see the hair or not. My sideburns, well, here the hair is clearly visible than my eyebrows. In camera it looks much better, but in real it looks so bad.
Start off with taking some baby powder and applying it over my upper lip.
And on all the parts where you actually need to wax, you need to follow this step because you don't want any oil to be there on your face, because in that case your hair will not pull off.
I know I look like a cartoon guys, but things girls gotta do to look presentable. Then I take my waxing strip and I cut little pieces, like I already have this one. So I'm just gonna show you. I take my waxing strip and I cut pieces as wide as the area around here. So like I have this much area here, so that's why I have cut out strips so that it covers my upper lips completely. Then I just rub my hands off so that it warms up. I pull off this waxing strip and just very securely place one waxing strip somewhere where it doesn't get spoiled, and then I pick this one and I put two on my upper lip. Guys, if this is the first time you're trying this out, then you will need a lot of courage to actually pull this off, but you will do it. Trust me, it's really simple. Whew. I know it's gross, but do you see these little hair on the strip? Then I just see that kahan pe jo hair hai wo reh gaya hai, and then I just wax it out from there as well. When you're waxing, make sure that you pull the strip opposite to the direction of the hair. So like this side your hair has a direction towards this side, so just put the strip and pull it over the opposite side. Similarly here, put the strip and pull it over to the opposite side. And you have little hair over here, so make sure that you don't skip this part. Ow. Usually you skip hair which is here, like under your nose, so make sure that you take out that as well. What you have to do is you have to place the strip like this and then pull it off, and it's done. So I have hair over my nose as well, and I take out those as well using the strip. And whatever wax is left over on your upper lips, just take the strip and slowly pull out all of that. I look so bad. Moving to the eyebrows, I just take the strip and I cut out really thin pieces because I don't have much space over here, so I cut out really thin pieces. I'm just going to show you like this, and then I rub off my hands to warm it up. I cut out this white portion of one end portion over here so that I can hold, and it doesn't have any white portion over here, it's all wax. So now what I do is I gently put it under my eyebrow. This end, which doesn't have that white part, should go here because your hair are in this direction and you need to pull it off on this direction. And then you just pull it off, just stretch it and I know it's gross, but I just want to show you guys that this actually works. Look here. Now that यहाँ के hair निकल गए हैं, I'll just put the strip like this. Once you're done, just take your tweezer and take out all the leftover hair. I really don't have any hair left. I still have to do this one. I'll just quickly do this one and then I'll show it to you. Once you're done with these steps, just take a spoolie and start brushing your hair.
Now let's get rid of the sideburns. Take the waxing strip and cut the desired amount, whatever you think would fit on your sideburns, and then you just have to rub it off to warm it out. Make sure that you cut off the white part from one area. This just makes the job simpler. And after that, just hold your hair. You don't want to rip off the hair on your head, and apply it over your sideburns. Rub it gently and pull them off.
It's gross, I'm sorry, but I just want to show you that it actually comes out. So now what I do is you can take any serum or any cream. I take this Belief water essence.
Apply it over your face and then take your facial razor and gently start shaving your face. Make sure that you're holding it in a slant direction, otherwise you will just hurt your face. And look, all that hair getting shaved off. Now all you have to do is follow the same steps on the other side of your face and voila, you're done.
So what you have to do is just take any facial oil, like I am taking this one.
Now apply the oil all over your face and gently massage it. This is because the wax is still stuck to your face and you want to get rid of it, and the oil helps you to do the same. Take a wipe and gently wipe it off. Don't be harsh on your skin, guys, because after waxing your skin is really sensitive. After this, wash off your face and then hydrate and moisturize your face very nicely because you don't want to leave your pores open.
That was it for today's video. If you found this video to be useful, then do share it with your girlfriends and let them know that how they can get rid of their facial hair. Also, if you like this video, then please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.